Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make font size bigger in Google Chrome. If website's text looks too small in Google Chrome and hurts your eyes, this video will show you the real ways to make text bigger. But one important thing, this setting does not work on all websites because many websites use their own font size. To change it, click on this one triple dots menu, then scroll down and click on this one settings option. After that, click on this one appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll to the bottom and here you will see font size. Click on this and you can select large or this one very large. In case it does not work, don't worry, you can use zoom method that works everywhere. You need to press Ctrl and plus to zoom out. You can press Ctrl and minus to zoom in. You can press Ctrl and 0 to reset zoom. You can also set permanent zoom that will be applied to all websites. For that, again click on this one triple dots menu in the Chrome browser and select settings. After that, select this one appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and here you will see page zoom. You can set it to 100% or 125% to make text bigger on every websites on your Chrome browser. That's all about this video. Bye.